Most people panic when they see a vanilla gift card stuck on hold. They think the money is gone, or the card is broken. But here's the truth no one tells you. A hold is usually just a temporary block, not a permanent issue. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your vanilla gift card goes on hold, how to fix it step by step in 2026, and how to stop it from happening again. Let's start with what on hold actually means. When you use your vanilla gift card, merchants often place a temporary authorization on your balance. This is common with online shopping, gas stations, and subscription trials. Someone like Alex might try to buy something for $20, but the store places a $30 hold just to verify funds. That extra amount gets locked temporarily. Now here's the problem. While the hold is active, that portion of your balance becomes unavailable. So your card may look empty or partially declined, even though your money is still there. So, step 1 is simple. Wait. Go. Most holds clear automatically within 24 to 72 hours. If you just made a purchase, give it time before assuming something is wrong. But here's where it gets interesting. Some holds last longer if the merchant doesn't finalize the transaction quickly. This is where most people get confused because they think the card is stuck forever. Now let's go into what you can actually do to fix or speed it up. First, check your transaction history on the official Vanilla gift card website. Look for pending charges. If you see a hold, note the merchant name and amount. This helps you track what is actually blocking your balance. Second, contact the merchant directly. If the hold is from a failed or canceled order, the merchant can release it manually. This is one of the fastest ways to free up your money. In a minute I'll show you a simple trick that helps avoid holds in the future, so your card balance stays fully usable. Another important step is avoiding repeated failed transactions. Every time you retry a payment, it can create multiple holds stacking on your balance. So if a payment fails once, stop and check your details instead of retrying immediately. Also make sure your card is properly registered with a billing zip code. Unregistered cards are more likely to trigger security holds because merchants cannot verify the transaction properly. So here's the bottom line. A vanilla gift card on hold is not a loss of money. It's just temporarily locked funds caused by merchant authorization. Most cases fix themselves automatically, but you can speed it up by checking transactions and contacting the merchant when needed. If this helped you understand your card better, like the video, leave a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple fixes that save your money and time.